Oh shoot, hold up. Because of the front. Yo, those look smooth. They're light too. Like, and the sidewall looks pretty good too. But hopefully, alright guys, here's the test fit. Damn, dude, these things look good. Holy. With the new. Oh, she's gonna be a bad bitch. Damn. Oh, dude, that thing's gonna look smooth. Look at them fatties.
Oh, that's like 2 hands.
Dude, aren't they big though?
Those are huge.
Those are 305s, bro. Oh. Good, bad?
Bro, like,
I think.
those are meaty.
Okay, but you need to see the wheels still, don't you?
Are you gonna get some DRs?
I'm weak.
That looks good.
So, as you guys can see, this is part 2 of the video because I already filmed when I first got the tires, but these are 305 30 18s for the Rovos wheels that I got. Here are the center caps. This is what we'll be putting in the middle of the wheel. And so, oh, let's not have that.
Boy, hold up. Let me focus this in. Hold up, wait.
Hold up, look at that side, bro.
Okay, you can see it on that one.
So basically today's video is gonna be prepping for the wheels and tires because I still have time and stuff. So what I thought would look good is the R badge. I want to do it silver because it looks kind of bland, just like stock, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So they did sell multi-piece ones that you could assemble your own, but I'm gonna just DIY it. At J_281 told me to do this. So we're gonna give it a go, and we're just gonna take you guys along for the process, so stay tuned.
So we got the
We got the R badge.
The R badge.
Go before, after.
The Arbok.
Hey.
All right, so this is the after. Hold up, let me get here. That's before. Focus it.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know what the issue. Oh.
It's like the way it's set up is just weird.
When we can change an exhaust, but not the center caps.
Hey. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay.
That actually.
That looks smooth. That looks smooth. Ooh.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Cameron here. And today we did need a wash, and look at that fat, bro.
Didn't need a wall.
Let's not go into the crack again. Yeah.
I'm pressing this button. Bro, if I were a NASCAR pit stop crew guy, that'd suck.
No. Okay. Cameron here is having some technical difficulties, so you know.
I think it is on a lesser nibba.
TJ Hunt, man. Nice to meet you. Hey guys, it's Calvin. Except the roles are reversed.
Nah. SVT. Way back. Down, 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 up. There, push back. It's up.
You push.
There, it is on. Ooh. Ooh. On the Arbok. Let's lower it. Bro, how do you feel?
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 Remember that?
How do you think?
Asked my dad.
Oh yeah.
Like,
how do you? Yeah.
Actually, way better than when they came in the box.
They look smooth as hell. They just shine hecka good now.
Out here?
Yeah. Well, we'll see. Yeah. But the next clip will probably be us at the shop.
Eating dinner.
No, at the shop, putting these on the Arbok, and yeah, Cameron, TJ Hunt style. And keep moving forward to the next clip.
And keep moving forward.
To the next clip.
To the next club.
Let's go.
All right, we're ready.
Get the rollers.
Bro, it's gonna look good. Old. New.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Bro, these look good.
There you go. That looks
Yeah, you
sick.
can't really tell, but yeah. Ah, dude, that looks
That looks hecka good. That looks sick.
Alright guys, so we got the wheels on. Cameron, you gotta show them.
Alright, boys. So we
the
got
Rovos.
the Rovos, the Durbins.
Dude, Cameron, 10 out of 10.
Ouch. Bro, look from the back. It looks so sick. Come here.
They're like beefy.
Oh.
Dude, that looks so good.
You can't really tell on the camera,
I know.
but like it looks good
In
here.
person, it's way different. Black wheels cannot show.
Whew.
Dude, that looks so good. Alright guys, so as you guys can tell, we got the Rovos Durbins on the Terminator.
Boom.
Dude, they look so good. It's so hard to show them on camera.
I know.
Person, you really can't justify it, but it's such a dream come true to have a Terminator, let alone get the dream wheels that I wanted. And we're just shining them up a little bit because, you know, you gotta make them look, you know, spicy, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, bro.
How to wash a car with $20 phone bill. At Brian. Woo! Oh my god, Cameron. This is crazy.
Bro, they look
The
so
viewers.
good.
This has been a dream of mine, just to get a Terminator, but let alone get...
Lubing them up.
Oh.
Ooh.
So basically the top, I put it down, but the hydraulic cylinders that push up the fluid to make the top go up were leaking. So I didn't bring the car to school today, but
Ouch.
we got it up, and now I have to order some new hydraulic cylinders right here, and then replace them. So hopefully that goes
Right
all,
where? No, I'm
yeah.
just kidding.
Hopefully it goes all smooth. But that'll be the end of the video. You guys will see a cinematic after this, maybe. You guys can go to my Instagram, Alex_SVT03.
Peep the link
Somewhere.
here.
Maybe.
Maybe here.
Maybe here. But you guys can catch me at Fabulous Fords forever. I'll be going with a few people here in my city, and get there and then go there Saturday, stay the night, and then go to the show Sunday. So I hope to see you guys. Some of you guys there, I know this is like, I don't know if any of you guys are going that watch me, but hey, doesn't hurt to say anything.
It's all good. It's all good.
Alright, so see you guys next time. If you guys did enjoy watching this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And keep moving forward.